Top 8 Simple Tips that will save you from diabetes, lower blood sugar. What if I told you that you could take control of your blood sugar without relying solely on medications? Imagine having simple, everyday tips that could save you from the risks of diabetes and its complications. Many of us don't realize how easily our blood sugar can spike. Whether it's from eating the wrong foods, lack of exercise, or stress, there are several factors that can push our blood sugar levels too high, putting our health at risk. If not managed properly, high blood sugar can lead to serious complications that affect your quality of life. But the good news is, you don't have to wait for diabetes to dictate your life. Today, we're going to talk about 8 easy tips that anyone can incorporate into their daily routine. These tips aren't about extreme diets or crazy workouts. They're simple, doable changes that anyone can start right now. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you how to lower your blood sugar naturally with just a few changes. Number 1. Exercise and movement throughout the day. We all know exercise is important for staying healthy, but when it comes to managing blood sugar, it's absolutely crucial. For those with diabetes or anyone looking to keep their blood sugar levels in check, regular physical activity can make a huge difference. The problem is many people feel like they don't have time for long workouts or don't know where to start. But even small, simple movements can help. Here's the good news. You don't need to spend hours in the gym to keep your blood sugar stable. In fact, exercise helps improve insulin sensitivity, meaning your body gets better at using glucose from your blood. This is huge because the more insulin-sensitive your cells are, the more efficiently they can handle the sugar in your bloodstream. So regular movement can not only help you manage your weight, but also prevent blood sugar spikes. What's more, exercise helps your muscles use blood sugar for energy. Whether you're walking, biking, or doing resistance exercises like squats or lunges, your muscles will burn off that extra sugar, helping to keep your levels within a healthy range. This means less sugar floating around in your blood and more energy for your body to use. If you're struggling to fit exercise into your routine, don't worry. Smaller, shorter sessions can still pack a punch. For example, you can aim for 10-minute exercise sessions 3 times a day. Doing this 5 days a week will add up to 150 minutes of physical activity, which is the recommended amount for most adults. Even if you're busy, this could be a game changer for your blood sugar. Here's another simple trick. Break up your sitting time with what's called exercise snacks. Every 30 minutes, take just a few minutes to move. It doesn't have to be anything intense. Simple activities like light walking or leg raises are enough to get your blood flowing. This is especially important if you spend long periods sitting, which can actually increase your blood sugar levels and harm your health over time. So even though you don't have to dedicate hours a week to exercise, getting up and moving more can help you control your blood sugar effectively. From short exercise sessions to breaking up long periods of sitting, every little bit counts. Start small, and over time, you'll see how these simple movements add up to big health benefits. Number 2, manage your carb intake. Managing your carb intake is one of the most effective ways to control your blood sugar levels. Here's why. Carbs are broken down into sugars, mainly glucose, and insulin helps your body use and store it for energy. When you eat too many carbs, or if your insulin isn't functioning properly, your blood sugar can spike, causing long-term damage to your health. That's why it's important to keep track of your carb intake, especially if you have diabetes. The American Diabetes Association recommends carb counting as a strategy to manage blood sugar. This means being mindful of how many carbs you eat and how they affect your body throughout the day. By counting carbs, you can plan your meals better, helping to keep your blood sugar levels more stable. It's not about eliminating carbs entirely, but about choosing the right kinds and the right amounts. A low-carb diet can be especially helpful for lowering blood sugar and preventing spikes. But here's a key point. Low-carb and no-carb diets are different. While it's important to limit carbs, you still need some for energy. The trick is to prioritize carbs that come from whole grains and unprocessed foods, which provide more nutrients and are less likely to cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Foods like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are great choices. So, while you don't need to cut carbs completely, paying attention to the types of carbs you eat and how much can have a huge impact on your blood sugar levels. Start by swapping refined carbs for whole grains and reduce your overall intake to keep your blood sugar in check. With some practice, carb counting will become second nature, and you'll see a noticeable difference in your blood sugar management. Number 3. Eat more fiber. Eating more fiber is one of the easiest and most effective ways to manage your blood sugar levels. Here's how it works. Fiber slows the digestion of carbs and the absorption of sugar, which helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar. Instead of causing a sudden rise, fiber promotes a more gradual increase, giving your body more time to process the sugar. There are 2 types of fiber, insoluble and soluble. Both are important for overall health, but when it comes to blood sugar management, soluble fiber is the real hero. Research has shown that soluble fiber can significantly improve blood sugar regulation. Insoluble fiber doesn't have the same direct impact on blood sugar, but is still beneficial for digestive health. A high-fiber diet is particularly helpful for people with diabetes, as it helps your body manage blood sugar more effectively. By including more fiber in your meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep your blood sugar levels under control. So what foods should you focus on? Start by adding more vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains to your diet. These foods are naturally high in fiber and will help keep your blood sugar steady. Some great options include leafy greens, berries, beans, and whole grains like oats and quinoa. To get the benefits of fiber, aim for the recommended daily intake. About 25 grams for women and 35 grams for men. That's roughly 14 grams of fiber for every 1,000 calories you consume. By including high-fiber foods in your meals, you'll not only improve your blood sugar management but also feel fuller longer, which can help with weight control. Number 4. Drink water. Drinking enough water might be one of the simplest yet most powerful ways to keep your blood sugar in check. Water doesn't just quench your thirst, it plays a key role in helping your body manage blood sugar levels. When you're properly hydrated, your kidneys are better equipped to flush out excess sugar through urine, helping you maintain healthier blood sugar levels. A 2021 review of multiple studies found that people who drank more water had a lower risk of developing high blood sugar. So, by making water your drink of choice, you could actually be reducing your chances of experiencing blood sugar spikes and managing your overall diabetes risk. When it comes to hydration, sticking with water and other zero-calorie drinks is your best bet. These options won't raise your blood sugar like sugary drinks will. Soda, sweetened teas, and even fruit juices can lead to unwanted blood glucose spikes, weight gain, and an increased risk of developing diabetes. By skipping these sugary beverages and opting for water, you're making a big step in controlling your blood sugar and overall health. To reap the full benefits, make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. It doesn't have to be a struggle. Carry a water bottle with you, take small sips regularly, and stay mindful of how much you're drinking. Staying hydrated will help you feel more energized, flush out excess sugar, and keep your blood sugar levels within a healthy range. So next time you're thirsty, choose water over sugary drinks and take a simple step toward lowering your blood sugar and reducing your diabetes risk. It's one of the easiest habits to adopt, and it can make a big difference in the long run. Number 5. Get enough quality sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is more important than many realize when it comes to managing blood sugar levels and lowering the risk of diabetes. When you don't get enough sleep, or if your sleep quality is poor, it can disrupt your blood sugar regulation and insulin sensitivity, making it harder for your body to manage glucose properly. This not only raises the chance of developing type 2 diabetes, but can also increase your appetite, leading to weight gain, which in turn further complicates blood sugar control. Sleep deprivation also triggers an increase in cortisol levels, a stress hormone that has a major impact on your blood sugar levels. So it's clear, getting enough good quality sleep is essential for keeping your blood sugar stable. To improve your blood sugar control, focus on both the quantity and quality of your sleep. Adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night. But it's not just about the amount of sleep you get. It's also about the environment and habits that help you rest better. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your body's internal clock. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. These can interfere with your sleep cycle and disrupt the quality of your rest. Stay active during the day. Regular physical activity can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light from phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with the production of sleep hormones, making it harder to fall asleep. Create a relaxing environment. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and comfortable to promote better rest. Try relaxation techniques. A warm bath, soothing scents like lavender, or even meditation can help you wind down before sleep. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss out on tips for better health and a better life. One click today could lead to positive changes tomorrow. Join our community now. Number 6. Manage your weight. One of the most effective ways to lower your blood sugar and reduce your risk of diabetes is by managing your weight. Maintaining a healthy weight, based on your doctor's recommendations for your age and height, can help keep your blood sugar levels stable and protect your overall health. If you're carrying excess weight, even small changes can make a big difference. Studies have shown that losing just 5% of your body weight can significantly improve your blood sugar control and even reduce your need for diabetes medication. For instance, if you weigh 200 pounds, 91 kilograms, losing 10 to 14 pounds, 4.5 to 6 kilograms, could bring noticeable improvements in your blood sugar regulation. The benefits don't stop there. Losing more than 5% of your initial weight may also help improve your HbA1c readings, which are key markers for your average blood sugar levels over the past 3 months. Better HbA1c levels mean better long-term control of your blood sugar, which reduces the risk of complications related to diabetes. So how do you start? Begin by making gradual changes to your eating habits and activity level. Focus on a balanced, nutrient-rich diet with whole foods and healthy fats, and aim to get moving regularly with activities you enjoy. Whether it's walking, biking, or light exercises, staying active helps you burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. The good news is that even small changes can lead to big results. You don't have to drastically transform your lifestyle overnight. Take it step by step. Managing your weight doesn't just help lower blood sugar, it also boosts your overall well-being, making you feel better and more energized every day. So, start by setting realistic goals and watch your blood sugar improve as you move toward a healthier weight. Number 7. Eat healthy snacks. One simple yet powerful way to keep your blood sugar levels stable is by eating healthy snacks more frequently throughout the day. Instead of sticking to just 3 large meals, try spreading your food intake over smaller, more frequent meals and snacks. This helps you avoid those dangerous blood sugar spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling tired and irritable. Eating smaller, balanced meals and snacks every few hours can actually improve insulin sensitivity. This means your body will be better at using insulin to move glucose into your cells for energy, which helps keep your blood sugar levels in check. In fact, studies show that spreading out your meals and snacks throughout the day can lower HbA1c levels, which reflect your blood sugar levels over the past 3 months. But it's not just about eating more often, it's about choosing the right snacks. Go for nutrient-dense options that combine healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Foods like nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, veggies with hummus, or even a small serving of berries are excellent choices. These snacks are not only filling, but will also help maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing those frustrating energy dips between meals. So, instead of reaching for sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar, choose balanced, healthy options. This small change could have a big impact on your blood sugar control and help lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Start with a few healthy snacks a day and see how they can make a difference in your blood sugar levels and overall health. Number 8. Be careful with foods marketed as medicinal. When it comes to managing blood sugar and lowering your risk of diabetes, it's important to be cautious with foods that are marketed as medicinal. While some foods and plants may have potential health benefits, many of these claims aren't supported by strong scientific evidence. So, before you jump on the latest trend, it's essential to understand that not all natural products are created equal. Some foods, like apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, berberine, and fenugreek, are often touted for their anti-diabetes properties. For example, apple cider vinegar has been shown in some studies to help reduce blood sugar spikes by slowing down stomach emptying after meals. But here's the catch. Most of the studies are small, and the results are mixed. Cinnamon has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity. But again, more research is needed to confirm its effectiveness. The same goes for berberine and fenugreek, which show promise but require more high-quality studies before we can make any solid recommendations. It's crucial to approach these so-called medicinal foods with caution, especially if you're already taking diabetes medication. Some herbal supplements can interact with your prescribed medications, potentially causing harmful side effects or affecting how well your medications work. Before incorporating any of these into your routine, be sure to talk to your doctor. If you decide to try them, make sure you're buying supplements from reputable sources, ideally those that have been independently tested for purity and ingredient content. Just because something is marketed as natural doesn't mean it's completely safe, and your health should always come first. While these foods might offer some benefits, don't rely on them as your main strategy for managing blood sugar. Instead, focus on proven methods like exercise, healthy eating, and regular monitoring. That way, you can make smart choices for your health without falling for trendy, quick fixes. So, there you have it. 8 simple yet effective tips that can help lower your blood sugar and significantly reduce your risk of developing diabetes. From managing your carb intake and exercising regularly to staying hydrated and getting enough sleep, these strategies aren't just about preventing diabetes, they're about taking control of your health and living a longer, happier life. Remember, it's all about making small, consistent changes that can have a big impact over time. If you start incorporating just a few of these tips into your routine, you'll be on your way to better blood sugar management and overall health. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss more helpful tips on managing diabetes and living a healthier life. Be sure to check out the videos in the description below for more content that can help you take control of your health. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate your support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.